Okay, so last time we was talking about the party tracks, the image tracking tools. But last time when I was doing the demos, I used the videos like this. So you can see this videos, the background is black and the particle itself is bright. So this is corresponding to a dark background image, right, or videos. But usually when we actually have, so this is actually the original videos, which is a bright image, and the particle is just sitting as a black one. And you can see the background itself is not ideal as well. It's not uniform. There is some kind of patchy stuff on it, and it's not uniformly illuminated. So in order to have this particle tracking working best and getting the best tracking result, you really want to remove the background and get it better. Okay, and sometimes even the worst cases, you could have the image something like this. So I have a very, very bad result, a very bad image, and there is a few particles is actually moving well. A lot of them is not. So which is really impractical to do anything out of this one. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to do that. So this time we're going to use a new tools. It's called the removal tools. Okay, so this is a source code made by MATLAB again. So when you have this tools, you basically start the MATLAB and double click it. So it's going to show this kind of removal video background tools. So to start, you want to do is load the videos. Okay, so I'm going to load the videos, and they say I'm going to use this unprocessed videos or original video taken from the cameras on the microscope. So you click it, they actually coming in, and you can see they actually show the average frame already. So basically you're going to have every frame in the videos, they actually add it up and do an average. So now I have a video frame. This is like this. So what I want to do to remove the background is have every frames be there and use that to subtract by this average frames. So that means whatever is moving, it's going to come out. Okay, so once it's loaded, I'm going to process as a subtract background. You can see a lot of the image background is gone, so it's all black, and I can see from each frames what does it really look like. Okay, so fine, and you can see here, so if I'm doing the subtracting itself, it's probably like this. Okay, it should be like this, but this particle is not very contrast enough, so I want to increase that contrast by adjusting these bars. So there is a low bar and high bars. You just could test it how you want to do that. So you don't want to have too much noise, because you do too much, there is a lot of noise that's going to come up. Okay, but you can try to adjust it a little bit to see what's going on. Okay, and then so once you are satisfied this, okay, what you can do is process the video. Okay, because in this video it's rather short video. It's only like 10 or 15 seconds, so you can process it. It's going to do it just fine. So I'm going to click process. You can see it start from the first frames, and then it's going to do all the subtractions and frame by frames. It's going to do this one, so it goes to the end. Okay, so once it's reached the end, it says finished, process video saved, and you can see here, so this is a test videos, and this is a test of processed videos, which is what I use for party tracks. Okay, so sometimes, okay, because this is a short video, it's going to be okay. But if you have a very long videos, for example, this videos, it's like 1.5 minutes videos, so it's rather long. And if you do this load videos by itself, load this one, it's going to take a very long time to load by doing the average itself. So in order to get this faster, so what I want to do is, let's say I want to get this average frames much quicker. So in order to do that, I just click 10 times. Then I press load. Okay, testing videos. Okay. So you can see now it's actually trying to load the whole videos, but the loading itself, or is actually not really load. It's actually try to get all the frames and do the average. So there is 2,000 frames, and this is the high. This is a HD videos, so it's taking some time to load it, but it's already 10 times faster. So let it do it. Okay, and you can see this is a loaded videos, and we can subtract the frames and get all the frames out. Okay, you can see this one is really noisy one, so it's really not recommended to use this kind of videos because it's just too noisy, and this is only for demonstration purpose of this tools. So it's by no means you should tracking particles using this very noisy videos to start with. Otherwise, you're going to get a wrong result. Anyway, we have this one. Okay, so looks like it's satisfactory already, or I think it's satisfactory already. So let's move this up a bit here. So it's and then I'm going to start as a process videos. So although this is a 10 times faster, but the process, because again this is a MATLAB tools, so depending on your computer's CPUs, it's going to take quite a bit of time to finish that. So this is 100 times fast forward. We're going to finish this process. Once you finish the process, you can see we have this testing processed videos. Okay, you open it. This is a result. So it's compared with the starting with. This is a much cleaner result, although the particle is there, but how accurate, there is no guarantee. Again, we should not use this kind of very bad result to start with. Okay, so you should take a clean image as much as possible. But as a tools, this is okay.